Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Internet Download Manager. Literally, it is a tool to manage and schedule downloads. It has recovery and resume capabilities to restore any interrupted downloads due to lost connection, network issues, and power outages. In order to install this, let's get started. Let's try to open a page. Let's open a page. Type in I get into pc.com. Type in Internet Download Manager. The I get into pc.com has a lot of software to download. So we are going to try to download internet download here. Let's click the go button. Then this is the recent one available. Internet Download Manager seed point 37. We'll click this. Now, if we scroll down, you see the information about the software. Scroll down. This also a video about the software installation video. Then to download this software, we need to click on this red button. But I'm not going to do that now because I already have it on my system. So when you click on this button, it's going to prompt for password. All you need to do is to put in this password. This is the password. You put it into it and click OK. Now let's download. Before download, disable your antivirus. This is what I have downloaded. Okay, click extract. Okay, yes button to start download. Okay, click I accept. Click the next button. I don't want the icon on my desktop, but if you do, you can leave it, but I don't want it, so I untick it. Okay, next. It has finished downloading. Then click the finish button. Click close. Now we have it here already. Let's click on it to open it. Click close. In order to see the version of the software, let's click OK. So this is the version, and it's on trial. Then we'll go to a crack. Open the folder, then we'll copy it with, click Ctrl C. Okay. Now come here, first put it here, come here, open file location. Let's go to the crack file, copy this and paste. Refresh. Now let's try again. Check